What's up, guys? This is TNT Barbecue. We out here again. I got some uncured, unsmoked bacon, guys, and I'm gonna do like a pork belly kind of thing going on with this. It basically was a pork belly. They cut it up in slices, but they never cured it. They never do anything. So I'm gonna bring you here and show you what we're doing to ours before we put it on the smoker. Okay? So let's go make a quick video. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna go on all the pork belly with just a little bit of this is Himalayan pink salt. So I'm gonna take a little Himalayan pink salt and I'm just gonna lightly go over the pork belly because this is thin meat, guys, so you don't want to salt this pretty heavy. You want to salt it lightly. So the Himalayan pink salt, I'm going with this hickory bacon rub for Pit Boss. So that's what we're gonna do. And like I said, keep lightly. So we don't want to go with too much. Well, that stuff smells pretty good. Smell like bacon. Allspice will go good with this rub right here. Just a little allspice. Kind of savory, kind of sweet. And then for this, I'm going with some ginger. Like I said, this is not a thick piece of meat, so you don't want to overpower anything with you just want to make sure that you get the flavor you want into this bacon. So I'm a ginger, I'm an allspice. I need a little black pepper on my bacon, just a little bit, you know. I think I'm only gonna season one side of it, just to make it so yeah, I got the black pepper. All right, guys, we're gonna go on with some brown sugar now. So what we got here, guys, we got 3 stacks 4-high bacon. I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna go over here, and under here, and over here, and under here, and I'm going over here. And we're making us a bacon weave. So we're gonna put this on the smoker, and this is what we got right here. We got us a bacon weave, and I believe that's enough fat to hold things together. And that's how we're gonna cook this, and we're gonna slice it, and that's how we're gonna do it. All right, guys. So I got a confession to make. When I started making this, I kind of ran into a couple problems. I'm like, maybe, you know, it'd be just like bacon. I wanted it kind of a little thicker. So, just strategizing, I stacked up bacon strips on top of each other, and I basket weaved it, and it was just like came together like here. So that shows like cooking. Some of the best recipes are made by mistake. So, I guess a weave, bacon weave, yeah, bacon weave. So this should be good with the brown sugar and all that good stuff on it. So I got the Pit Boss running at 350. It is going. And I'm gonna place this on the Pit Boss. So it's enough fat in that to basically self-base itself. So all I'm gonna do is probably let this go for about, I say about an hour at 350. It should do its thing, guys. So we'll bring you in the finished product. This is gonna be a quick video. Peace. Alright guys, so this is TNT barbecue. This has been a short cook. It took about an hour for this bacon to get crisped up. I went and sauced it. It was dark outside. I didn't want to, be out in the darkness. But guys, I'll tell you what, I got a great piece of meat. Basically, I did 4 uncured slices of bacon and put them in piles. And then what I seasoned it with was some black pepper, some ginger, some salt, some pink cured salt, pink salt, things of that nature, okay? So I'm gonna bring you in and we're gonna see how this look. Come on, son, come in a little closer to this right here. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and slice this in, son. We're gonna see what we're looking at, okay? So so look at it. That look good. Oh my goodness. So oh my goodness. All right. So we're gonna zoom out. So I'm here to tell you guys, if I had to do the recipe over again, I already got some butcher twine tied the end of the bacon. But other than that, I get the same kind of flavor. I do get some smoke. It don't taste like bacon. It tastes like pork belly. This is an amazing recipe. Like I said, it started off with a different idea, then it took a hard left. And man, I love the outcome. This TNT barbecue. God bless you. God bless America. We out of here.